Well, in effect, what the bill would do, we made some progress 10 years ago as far as identifying and having a system in place and using pesticides on playing fields where we know young children will be. But there's always a concern. Was it done right? Is it worth the effort as it relates to the eradication of the pest versus, exposing the kids to what we know they're very vulnerable to, and a whole array of various maladies that can be prevented by lack of exposure. Restrictions are real easy. None. They're just not to use them. And then there are areas where children, under the age of 9 will likely to be. Things like daycare centers and certainly schoolyards.
These pesticides have been proven they can cause some long-term illnesses, chronic illnesses, not something that will go away in a week as well, and it's a safety issue, correct?
No, everything from neurological issues, running the gamut to short-term illnesses. Why take the risk? What's the benefit on the other end of it? So thus, as opposed to leaving anything to chance, just making the areas clear that we know they'll be playing in will give the parents a great sense of security, and we as a society knowing that it's a better place for them. For example, you want to be concerned, you want to make it pretty much where children are going to be exclusively. You can't make it, the entire state where children might be, but places we know they congregate, places we know that they'll be kind of rolling around in the grass, are the ones we're trying to target. And this process will be refining the bill to make certain that we don't overdo it.